The next part we're going to make is the linkage arm. If you look, it's a circle, then another circle with a rectangle in the middle. This outside circle tells you the radius is 0.1875, so I'm going to have to double that to get the diameter. So I'm going to start a sketch on a plane. I'm going to do a circle. It's going to be 0.1875 times 2. Okay. Then I'm going to do another circle on that same axis, same size, 0.1875 times 2. Okay. I know the distance between them needs to be 3.5. I'll show you that on the picture here in a sec if you didn't see it. 0.5. Zoom out so we can see it. So that's from this center to that center. Okay. Then I need a rectangle in the middle that is 0.25 tall and goes the entire 3.5. So the way I'm going to do that is under rectangle, instead of just having 2 points, you can do one where you do 2 points and one of them is the center point and the other one is a corner. So I need to determine that center point. So I'm going to do a point on this axis and I want it to be in the middle. So I'm going to dimension from that point to the center of one of our circles, and I'm going to take 3.5 and divide it by 2 to get my center. Okay. Then I'm going to do that rectangle with 2 points in the center, so I'm going to click it. I'm going to click that middle point to define my center, and then I'm going to come outward until I'm right there. It's telling me that the length of my rectangle is 3.5. That's good, so I'm going to hit Tab, and then the height of my rectangle should be 0.25. I'm going to hit Enter. I'm going to finish that. From there, you're good to extrude. You're just going to extrude it 0.125, and then you can do the 2 points for the holes. I'm going to have to leave you there.